Many of you are seriously joking with this JAMB exam. You don't know how serious it is. So I want you to follow me as I open your eyes. There are some things you guys don't know, and that's why I'm getting some of the excuses and reports I've been getting. There will be failure. Many people, many JAMB candidates will fail this coming JAMB exam, and it's a big problem that many of you are not seeing. It's a big issue that many of you have not yet seen. So I'm going to open your eyes. Perhaps this will help you to wake up. This will help you to abandon those things distracting you, because many people failed. Many people failed. JAMB is not like your normal exam, right? JAMB is not like what you used to know when you were in school, where you probably would just read and pass. This one is a different kind of exam, competing millions of candidates competing to enter into school, right? So let me open your eyes. Let's go to the result JAMB released last year. The result released by JAMB in 2024. This will open your eyes, right? Listen, you can see this big area, 76%. 1.4 million people were those that failed. There were those that got below 200 out of 400 in JAMB, right? Followed by this 24% that got 200 and above, followed by 4.2% that got 250 and above. Then we now have a tiny 0.5% that were able to get 300 and above. Pay attention. Don't run away yet. There is something I want to show you. Now look at this. 1.9 million people registered for JAMB last year. And this year there will even be more. This year there will be more than 2 million with the rate of registration. Okay? Only about 1,402,490 were those that failed. They got 199 and below. Can you imagine? Out of 1.9 million, 1.4 failed. So you see why we don't need to joke with what you have at hand. Then only 439,974 scored up to 200. 77,070 scored 250 and above. Then only 8,401 scored 300 and above. Can you imagine? In an exam where 1,989,668 persons wrote the exam, right? Only 8,401 passed. Only 8,401 were able to score 300 and above. Remember, in this channel, I've been telling you that our target, who can remind me our target again? Our target in this channel is for you to score 300 and above. If you claim it, type I claim it. But I want you to be serious. I want your eyes to open. I want your eyes to open. I want your eyes to open. We don't have time, right? Let me give you an analysis again. Look at it here. Look at the glaring figure of what happened last year. Okay? Now let's look at the failure rate since 2018. This will show you that this exam is no joke. You need to wake up. You need to wake up. If you were reading 30 minutes for JAMB, you need to start reading for 4 hours. There is no time. In 2018, pay attention though. In 2018, 1.5 million registered. Then 1.1 million scored below 200. There was 74.1% failure rate. Can you imagine? In 2018, there was 74.1 failure, 1.1 failed. In 2019, In 2019, 1.4 million people failed JAMB out of 1.7 that registered. In 2020, be following me. In 2020, 1.5. You can see the failure is increasing year by year. The failure is increasing year by year. In 2020, 1.5 million failed. In 2021, 1.1 million failed, 87.2%. In 2022 JAMB, 1.3 million failed. This is people that got below 200. Can you imagine? In 2023, 1.1 million failed. That is 66.6%. Then in 2024, 1.4 million candidates failed. This one is not an issue of God forbid or it will not happen. This one is not an issue of it will not happen. Look at what happened in 2022. Look at how candidates were failed woefully in JAMB. And why? Why is this failure like this? Why are people failing? Why are candidates failing like this? Because I can tell you, many of us are not serious. Many of us are not what? Serious at all. We are not yet serious with our studies. The things I see happening, the results I'm getting is showing that many of you are not serious with your studies. Now, pay attention. Let us find out why many people fail JAMB. It will help you. It will help to open your eyes, right? Just follow me. Why is many people fail JAMB? Because they don't prepare well. They don't prepare well. They don't study with past question. And I keep telling you, I will even give you free JAMB past question. If you want me to give you free JAMB past question, I will tell you at the end of this video how you can get JAMB past question free. I will even give you JAMB syllabus free. If you need me to give you JAMB past question, I will give you free of charge. I won't collect money. If you need me to give you JAMB past question, tell me, I will give you. In the first subjects we'll be writing, so that you will not say this is the reason why they did not do well. They don't prepare well. People don't read with past question. You don't even know repeated question that could be repeated. In the novel you'll be reading, Lucky Headmaster, you don't even know expo questions from it, which I've been giving you. If you need me to give you the link to all the videos I've done on expo questions, from use of English to economics to Lucky Headmaster to all the subjects, let me know. I will give them to you free to ensure that your name will not be among those that will fail JAMB. Are you with me? What I'm telling you are very important. And why do people fail? Poor quality of secondary school. Many people play away their time in secondary school. Lack of proper study habits. You don't take your time to prepare well. Exam anxiety. Many people enter hall and become anxious. And that's why I keep telling you, JAMB is not like WAEC. JAMB is computer based. You write with computer and you have 180 questions to answer with only 40 seconds to answer one. Only 40 seconds to answer one question. 40 seconds. You have 180 questions. You see why you need to be serious. Another reason is reliance on exam malpractice. People will tell you whether you fail or don't fail. They will help you. They will make your grade to move from 180 to 300 and above. This is lie. JAMB doesn't play jokes, right? So I need you to become much more serious. Another reason is distraction from social media. Some people will, I've told you, the time to spend time online will come. The time to party, the time to go for enjoyment is coming. Right now, within these first few months or first few weeks we have before the exam, please sit yourself down and read. If you need to get a private teacher, get a private teacher. If you need to join a lesson center, join a lesson center. Whatever you have to do, do it now. Do you understand? Do it now. It is not when you fail you will come back to me. Don't become a JAMB customer writing JAMB every year. In our channel, I've given you past questions. I've given you, in fact, I've read Lekki Headmaster for you. I read it. I brought out a video, read chapter 1, explained it, read chapter, brought out another video, read chapter 2, explained it until I was doing videos until the 12th chapter. So you don't have any excuse. You don't have any excuse. If you need me to give you all these videos I've done, I will give you in use of English. I've done expo questions, repeated questions. I've done it in biology. We've done all those things. So beyond those things I am doing, I need you, my dear, please promise me you will be serious. Promise me you will be. If you will be serious, please type it under the comment and say, I promise to be serious from now onwards. I promise to be serious. Please be serious. Some of you don't have a study timetable. You don't have a study timetable. You don't have a timetable. You don't know. You don't even know the topics in the syllabus. So please write down a timetable and begin to follow it. If you need me to help you in creating a timetable, I will help you. It's not free, but I can help you, right? So I'm making this video to wake you up, sister. My brother, wake up and read. Wake up and study. This is your future. Stop sleeping. This is your future. I want members of this channel to be among those that will tell me they scored 300 and above. I want members of this my channel, Noble Tutorial, to come back to me after JAMB and say they have gotten admission. I want you to be one of them. If you claim 300 and above, type I claim it under the comment section. Also become serious. If there's anything preventing you from reading, please chat me up and tell me. If you want me to give you free JAMB past question, free JAMB syllabus that will help you to start studying, do these things now. Join our YouTube channel. Join. You can see an option. There is a black option up there. Click on join. Join our YouTube channel. Then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then like this video, share this video. These are the things you have to do to join this YouTube channel. Join, click on join, go and join our YouTube channel. Then like this video. When you like this video, share this video. Just share it, click on the link, copy the link, share it on all the groups you belong to for JAMB candidates on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Twitter, and all the platforms. Then subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Immediately you subscribe, come under this video and type I have subscribed. I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send you all these materials. There's a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Tap on it now and begin to watch.